Just want to say that this is very simple and like an everyday technique. Obviously, if you're going somewhere on the evening, then you want to have a more maybe stronger curls. However, this is just so it makes you feel a little bit better about yourself. Sorry for not having makeup, but I always do first my hair and then I apply my makeup, so this wasn't different times. Everything is exactly the same like I always do. So I would separate my hair. First I would start with bottom. The top one I will just pin. So it's going to maybe look a little bit funny, but this just make everything easier for you once you curl your hair. I'm trying to separate first section, and sometimes it's just some of the hair are not supposed to be there. You have this kind of feeling, so you do what is best for you and it's going to look fabulous. So I am always putting my curly wand for 220 degrees, and I don't really keep my hair longer than maybe 15-20 seconds. As you can see, I have this kind of system that I start from the middle and then I just roll the hair on the wand, and I find that works the best for me. There's no any creases or anything like this. Just checking if everything is done, but everything seems to be already good. So I'm going to start with second layer. And then another layer on another side. Just want to say that this is very simple and like an everyday technique. Obviously, if you're going somewhere on the evening, then you want to have a more maybe stronger curls. However, this is just like a wave, so you can walk all. And then we're starting with everything else. So that's our last layer. It's good to find your middle, whatever you feel the most comfortable with. And when you're trying to do the last one, try to do it outside from your hair, from your head, so it's just going to look better. And that's it basically, all hair are done. I'm not going to use any hairspray this time, just because I'm going to just wear them during the home. I'm not going out anywhere. If I was going out, I would use my Schwarzkopf hairspray. However, this time, as I said, it's just in the house. I just want to have a nice curly or waves hair just for myself. I don't really need anything to, just going to keep them for all day.